Imagine waking up one morning, checking your investment app, and realizing your AI stocks have skyrocketed overnight. It feels unreal, right? But this is exactly what's happening in 2025. Artificial intelligence, once a futuristic buzzword, is now the driving force behind the biggest stock market boom of our time. From tech giants like Nvidia and Microsoft to rising startups you have never heard of, AI is rewriting the rules of business, money, and innovation. In today's video, we're going to break down why AI stocks are booming in 2025, what's fueling this explosion, and whether it's too late or just the beginning of something massive. Stay till the end because this could completely change how you think about investing in the future. And if you love videos that help you understand the financial world in simple, powerful ways, make sure you subscribe right now. Let's get into it. So let's start with the obvious question: what's happening? AI isn't just hype anymore. It's real, it's profitable, and it's transforming industries faster than anyone predicted. In 2023 and 2024, companies were experimenting with AI, testing chatbots, automation, and generative tools. But in 2025, AI is no longer a test, it is a full-scale revolution. Businesses across healthcare, finance, retail, and even agriculture have integrated AI into their core operations. And the companies leading that change are seeing their stock prices soar. Take Nvidia, for example. Their chips power most of the world's AI systems, and demand has gone through the roof. Then there's Microsoft, which integrated AI directly into its products like Office, Teams, and Azure, creating billions in new revenue streams. Even smaller companies like Palantir, C3.ai, and SoundHound AI have seen massive growth thanks to AI-driven contracts and partnerships. Investors have realized something crucial. AI isn't a trend. It's the new electricity of our era. Let's break this down. Every major technological revolution, like the internet, smartphones, and cloud computing, created waves of new wealth. AI is the next wave. It's not replacing one industry, it's improving every industry. And that's why investors are pouring billions into AI companies. It's not about one product or one company. It's about an entirely new economic foundation built on data and intelligence. Now, what is really fueling this boom? It comes down to three things: adoption, efficiency, and profitability. Let's talk about adoption first. In the year 2025, almost every Fortune 500 company has AI as part of its growth strategy. Whether it is chatbots in customer service, algorithms in logistics, or automation in manufacturing, AI is everywhere. This massive adoption means AI companies are selling not to a niche market, but to the entire economy. Next is efficiency. AI doesn't just make products smarter, it makes companies cheaper to run. Labor costs go down, productivity goes up, and profits multiply. For example, artificial intelligence tools can automate data analysis that used to take human teams weeks to finish. That means faster decision-making, fewer mistakes, and bigger margins. And when profits rise, stock prices follow. And then comes profitability. AI is not just about cool tech, it is about money. AI-driven products and services generate recurring revenue through subscriptions, data licensing, and enterprise contracts. That's why investors love them. They are scalable, predictable, and high margin. That's the golden trio for stock growth. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Governments are also investing heavily in artificial intelligence infrastructure. From the US to China, countries are racing to dominate AI technology because they understand AI isn't just business, it's power. AI decides who leads in innovation, defense, and even global influence. So as governments pour billions into artificial intelligence, private investors are following their lead. This is fueling what analysts call the AI supercycle, a period of sustained, long-term growth driven by artificial intelligence. Now, let's talk about the human side of this boom. AI is changing the way we work, shop, and live, and that means endless opportunities for AI-focused companies. Think about self-driving cars, voice assistants, personalized healthcare, smart finance apps, all powered by AI. Each one of these innovations represents multiple billion-dollar industries, and the companies creating the tech behind them are seeing explosive stock growth. Let's look at a few examples. In healthcare, AI algorithms can now detect diseases earlier and more accurately than doctors. That's saving lives and billions of dollars, so investors are flooding into AI-driven medical startups. In finance, artificial intelligence trading systems are predicting market moves faster than human analysts ever could. In education, AI tutors are personalizing learning experiences for millions of students. And in entertainment, AI-generated content is becoming a new business model entirely. All of these create one thing: profit. And profit is what drives stock market booms. But here's something that many investors don't realize. Not all AI stocks are created equal. Some are real innovators. Others are just riding the hype. So before you invest in any AI company, ask these 3 questions. First, does this company have real scalable AI technology? Second, are they generating consistent revenue from it? And third, do they have a competitive advantage like proprietary data or strong partnerships? If the answer is yes to all 3, you have likely found a winner. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Are we in an AI bubble? Some analysts think so. But here's the truth. Even if there's short-term volatility, the long-term trend is undeniable. AI is here to stay, and the companies building real solutions will continue to thrive. Just like the dot-com crash didn't kill the internet, even a correction won't kill AI. It'll only eliminate the weak players. And when that happens, the true leaders will rise even higher. Let's take a step back and understand how this affects you. If you're an investor in 2025, ignoring AI stocks could mean missing the biggest wealth-building opportunity of this decade. You don't have to bet everything on one company. Diversify across AI sectors. Invest in AI chip makers like NVIDIA, software leaders like Microsoft and Google, and even smaller players focused on AI infrastructure, robotics, and automation. Or consider AI-focused ETFs that spread your investment across multiple companies in the space. This way, you ride the AI wave without putting all your eggs in one basket. But remember, investing in AI is not just about chasing the hype. It is about understanding the vision. AI is not replacing humans, it's amplifying them. It is helping businesses operate smarter, faster, and cheaper. And that's exactly why the companies leading this transformation are booming in the stock market. Now imagine 2030, AI will be in everything from your car to your home to your investments. Companies that are leading in AI today will likely dominate the world tomorrow. We're witnessing the birth of a new economy, just like we saw with the internet in the 1990s. And this time the scale is even bigger. So what should you do right now? Start learning about AI industries. Read company reports, follow market trends, and invest only in what you understand. Don't get swept away by hype. Build knowledge and patience. Because the investors who study before they act are the ones who build generational wealth. AI stocks are booming in 2025 for a simple reason. They represent the future of productivity, profit, and power. From automation to innovation, AI is the backbone of the global economy. And if history has taught us anything, it is that revolutions like this do not come often. So don't ignore it. Position yourself for it. And before you go, remember that wealth is built by acting early, staying informed, and thinking long-term. So if you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into investing, technology, and financial freedom, subscribe right now. Because the next 5 years could define who becomes wealthy and who gets left behind. The AI boom isn't just coming. It's already here. And the smartest investors are already riding the wave.